How to add TikTok link to Instagram bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then simply tap on your profile. As you tap on your profile, simply select on the share icon at the top right corner, and here you can see the option of copy link. So tap on copy link, and as the link is copied, you can just go back and launch the Instagram application on your device. Now make sure that you're logged into your Instagram application as well. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select on edit profile option, and as you tap on edit profile, you can see the option of links. Select on links, and here you can simply tap on add external link. Then tap or paste the URL that you just copied over here, and simply tap on the title and name it as TikTok, and then tap on the check mark at the top right corner. So as you do that, you'll be able to add TikTok link to Instagram bio. So you can just go back and check on your profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.